Good morning. Let us continue the Quinn-McCluskey method of simplification of digital functions. I took 4 variable digital function. Okay. So henceforth the problem length of the problem will be increasing. Okay. So observe the numbers already given in increasing order. If not given, rewrite function with variables a, b, c, d, sometimes w, x, y, z, l, m, n, o, like that. They can give any variable name. Okay. So here rewrite the numbers in the summation set in increasing order. In the question itself, the variables or the terms are given in increasing order. So let us continue the second. Okay. So now rewrite variables in increasing order. So first variable is 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 and 14. So same numbers I have wrote in the increasing order. Okay. So write the variables b, c, b and a. 2 raised to 0 which is 1, 2 raised to 1 which is 2, 2 raised to 2 the value is 4, 2 raised to 3 the value is 8. Okay. So what I am writing is step number 1. Okay. Now let's write the value. 1 can be written as 001, 3 can be written as 0011, 6. The value 6 is 0110. 7 is 0111. 8. So 1 with 3 zeros. 9. 8 plus 1. Hence it is A and D are 1. B and C are 0. 10. 8 plus 2. Hence A and C are 1. B and D are 0. Okay. So how about 12? 8 plus 4. Okay. 8 plus 4 is 12. 13 is 8 plus 4 plus 1. 8 plus 4 plus 1. 1 means D. Okay. Next 14. 8 plus 4 plus 2. That is 14. 8 plus 4 plus 2. Hence A is 0. That finishes step number 1. Okay. So next is grouping the numbers based on count of ones. See here, generally we write it as L0. So we don't have L0 here because no number with 0 number of ones is given. Okay. So L0 set will be upset. L1 set starts. L1 set starts. Okay. So A, B, C and D. Now somebody will ask, if L0 set is not there, with what we have to compare in the next step. Always you remember, LL should be compared with Ln plus 1 only. If L0 is not there, L0 compared with L1 will not exist. But comparison starts from L1 with L2, L2 with L3, L3 with L4, like this. But if L0 set is there, L1 set is not there, L0 is there, L1 set is not there, L2 means here nothing. Okay, nothing we will write it as. Okay, this time L0 with L2, this is not allowed. This is not allowed. If similarly L2 is there, assume L3 is there, L4 is empty. That time how to think about comparisons? What are the possible comparisons? Are L0 with L2 This is not allowed. Okay. L2 with L3 allowed. L3 with L4 not possible because L4 is what? Empty set. So only one comparison we will get. What is that? L2 to L3. Comparison possibility I am telling. Okay, there may exist or there may not exist, but comparisons where we have to do, that is important. Okay, fine. Let us continue. As of now, in this problem, L not set will not exist. So whatever exists is directly L1 set. See now, this has one number of 1. So write it 0, 0, 0, 1. The equivalent is 1. Put pass mark for 1 in the previous step. So here 2 number of 1s, 2 number of 1s, 3 number of 1s. Here we have a number which has 1 number of 1. What is its representation? 1 triple 0. Its equivalent is 8. That means 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Here is L1 finishes. Next, L2. Okay. What is the definition of L2? L2 definition: 2 number of 1s in representation. See, we are all sorry. Don't forget to put a cross mark for 8. Now, first smallest symbol is 3, which has 2 number of 1s. So I will write immediately like 3 and put pass mark for 3 in the previous step. How about next number? 6. 0, 1, 1, 0, 6. Put a pass mark for 6. Next, should we include 7? 7 here in the set of L2? No, because it has 3 number of 1s. So don't include 7 in L2 set. 8 is already written in L1 set. So don't consider. 9, yes. What is 9? 1, 0, 0, 1. That is not 9. Put a pass mark for 1. How about a 10? Value 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. 2 1s, 2 zeros. So number of 1s are 2. Hence 1, 0, 1, 0. Number is 10. Put pass mark for 10. How about 12? Double 1, double 0. Hence it is 12. How about 30? 3 1s, 40, 3 1s. They will not get entering in L2. Hence L2 completes. Set L2 completes. What is next set? L3. What is definition of L3? 3 number of 1s. Again start checking from the top. If already check marked, no need to consider. This is not check marked. So see again. It is 0, 1, 1, 1. What is this one? 7. So pass mark the 7. Next, continue. 13 and 4. 13 means what? 1, 1, 0, 1. That is what 13. Pass mark for 13. 14 means 1, 1, 0. So that's closest for L3. So now think about L4. L4. We don't have set for L4, or we can write what? Null. Okay. What is L0? That is also null. So what are the sets we have? L1, L2, L3. That's it. 3 set we have. So how many possible comparisons? Substitute into this Cartesian product possibility. If we substitute 0, 0 is a null set. Null set into L1 always equal to what? Null. So no need to think about L0 with L1. So let us give next number for n, because what is n definition? N can be 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. N0 definition is invalid. N definition 1. L1 to L2. Okay, L1 to L2. What are the values in L1? L1 set 1, 8. Cartesian with L2 3, 6, 9, 10, 12. 3, 6, 9, 10, 12. So what are the possibilities? 1, 3, 1, 6, 1, 9, 1, 10, 1, 12, 8, 3, 8, 6, 8, 9, 8, 10, 8, 12. These all are possibilities. Okay. So now, if we substitute n value as 2, what happens? L2 to L3, L2 to L3. What are the possibilities? What is L2 set? 3, 6, 9, 10, 12. 3, 6, 9, 10, and 12. This into Cartesian with L3, 7, 30, 40. 7, 30, 40. See, lot of possibilities. 3, 7, 3, 30, 3, 40. 6, 7, 6, 30, 6, 40. 9, 7, 9, 30, 9, 40. 10, 7, 10, 30, 10, 40. 12, 7, 12, 30, 12, 40. So these all are possibilities we have to think. But not, you cannot write orally. All will get entry in the next step. Looking into possibilities we have to discuss. See now, one important scenario. What happens for N4? If I substitute, N has 3. If I substitute, N value is 3. What is this will be? 3 plus 1, 4. What is L3? 7, 30, 40. Set 7, 30 and 40. This Cartesian product with null. So what will be the result? It will be null. So we can neglect that possibility. Hope it is clear with the decision of number of comparisons. Okay. So that finishes second step. Coming for third step. Okay. Third step, again we will write the variables A, B and C, D. Okay. So now first possibility 1, 3, 1, 6, 1, 9, 1, 10, 1, 12. Remember the basic formula 1, 3, 1, 6, 1, 9, 1, 10, 1, 12. When you compare one with a number, this first column is called as A bit, the second column is called as B bit, third is called as C, and last one is called as D. Out of four bits, 3 must be same. One bit compulsorily it should be different. Okay. If A, B, C are same, D should be different. If A, B and D are same, C should be different. If A, C, D are same, B should be different. If B, C, D are same, A should be different. 3 same, 1 different. That is condition. Okay. Now, what we are doing now? Started comparison. What? 1, 3. So here I will write 1, 3. 1 with 3. What is this first? A, B, C. What about A? Say. B is say. D is different. Okay, how many? Sorry, D is also same. So we have 3 same and only 1 difference. Hence, we can think about including that group called 1, 3. Okay, so now 1, 3 possibility. So, A same in what form? 0. B same as 0. C is different, hence it is I form. D is same in which format? 1. So we have got group called 1, 3, put a pass mark for 1 and 3. Don't forget to put pass mark. Okay. Now we have finished 1, 3. So what else possibility? 1, 6. Let us see. 1 with the 6. A same, B different, C different, D different. As soon as you get a 2 different, you can discontinue and neglect that number. 1, 9. A different, so we have got 1 difference. B same, C same, D same. A different and B, C, D same. Okay. A different, B 0, C 0, D 1. 0, 0. What is its name? 1, 9. Okay. 110. A different, B same, C different. So we have got a 2 different. We'll neglect. 112. A different, B different. We will stop. So 1 6, 1 10, 1 2 not taken part in the next step. That doesn't mean this 2 set comparisons finished. What we did is we took 1 3 and we took 3 6 9 10 12. Now what we have finished as of now is 1 3 we have checked, 1 6 we have checked, 1 9 we have checked, 1 10 we have checked, 1 with 12 we have verified. Okay, but what are the 2 things which got promoted for the next is? First is 1 3, next is 1 9. So what about remaining? Remaining are not yet finished. So what is one more possibility? 3 3, sorry. It should be 8. 8 3, 8 6, 8 9, 8 10, 8 12. These are again still we have to consider in the same level of L1 with L2 comparison. Okay, see now. 8 3 different, same, different. So we have got 2 different, we will neglect. 8 6, now I am comparing 8 6. Different, different, 2 different, leave it. 8 9, same, 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 different. So 3 same and 1 difference. Hence what we have written here? 8 9. Put a pass mark for 8. Already 9 is selected. Okay. So, but what is the tuple? 1 0 0 hyphen. 1 0 0 hyphen. That is 8 9. How about 8 10? Same as 1 A. B same as 0. C first difference, D same as 0. A1, B0, D0. 3 difference, 3 same, 1 difference, hence 8, 10. 8 comma 10. What is the tuple? 1, 0, hyphen 0. 0, hyphen 8, 10. Okay. Now we did 8, 10. What is one more possibility? 8, 12. Same, different, same, same. 3 same, 1 difference. Hence 1 hyphen 0, 0. 8 with 12. 8 with 12. So what that finishes? Comparison with L1 and L2 is done. Okay. And also put a pass mark for 12 because it is reflected in the next state. Now, what is next possibility? L2 with L3. L2 with L3. What is that? See, L2 with L3. How to write now? L2 Cartesian product with L3. Okay. So here, what are the tuples? 3, 6, 9, 10, 12. Here 7, 13, 14. Now 3, 7, 3, 30, 3, 14. 6, 7, 6, 30, 6, 14. 9, 7, 9, 30, 9, 14. 10, 7, 10, 30, 10, 14. 12 7, 12 13, 12 14. We have to check, but not necessarily all should get entry here. See, like the previous, we had a many comparisons, but we have only 5 entry in the next step. Let's see. Okay. Now 3 7, same, different, same, same. 0 hyphen 1 1, 0 hyphen 1 1. Is it 3 7, 3 pass mark, 7 pass mark. 3 13, different, different, leave it. 3 14, different, different. 2 difference we have got, we will stop. That finished 3 reference. Now take 6 reference. 6 7, same as 0, same as 1, same as 1, difference. 3 say 1 difference. 0 1 1 hyphen. 0 1 1 hyphen. What is that? 6 7. Earlier 6 was not passed between L1 and L2. Now it will get selected between L2 and L3. 6 7 we have finished. Now some of the students, as soon as it will get selected, they will forget further comparisons. Okay? It may happen, it may reflect here or not, but don't neglect the possibilities of 6 in the next. We done with 6 7. 6 13, you check and decide. Don't blindly leave the possibilities. 6 13. See now. Different, same, different. Leave. 6 13, left. 6 14. Different, same, same, same. See now. Here result is 6 14. Even though 6 is passed, if you would have neglected further possibilities, we would have lost a pair called as 6, 14. So that should not happen. See again, hyphen 1, 1, 0. Hyphen 1, 1, 0. What is that? 6, 14. Now 14 will select or pass mark. Now 9 7. 9 is A, 1. So different, different, leave it. As soon as we get the 2 different, we will leave. 9 13, same, different, same, same. Can you see? Same, different, same as 0, same as 1. 1 hyphen 0 1. 1 hyphen 0. Okay? 1 hyphen 0. 9 13. 9 13. 9 already selected. 13 now selected. 9 13 is done. 9 14, let's see. Same, different, different. 2 differences we got, so we will neglect 9 14. Let's continue. 10 7. Different, different. 10 7, not possible. 10 13, same, different, different. Oh, sorry. Earlier I repeated 10 7, different, different. So first two itself fail between 10 7. Now 10 14, first is same, second is different, third is also different. 10 13. Let's check 10 14. Same, different, same, same. So 3 same, 1 different. What is it? 1 hyphen 1 0. 1 hyphen 1 0. What is it? 10 14. 10 comma 14. Now some more possibilities are there. Don't stop now because thinking that all are pass mark. Still some possibilities we have not yet finished. What are those? 12 7, 12 13 and 12 14. That we have to check. What is 12 7? Different, same, different. So 2 different we have, we will neglect. 12 13, same, 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 different. 1 1 0 hyphen. 1 1 0 hyphen. What is that? 1 comma 13. 12 14, 1 1 hyphen 0. 1 1 1 1 hyphen 0 1 1 hyphen 0. What is that? 12 14. Already all are pass mark. So that finishes step 3. Okay. Fine. Let's continue for step 4. See how the work. It was a 3 sets that reduced to 2. Will 2 reduce to 1? Let's see. Okay. So now here A, B, C and D. Okay. So leave some space because you need to write your long tuple. Okay. Now here hyphen must match. Why? Because if you have got one time hyphen, henceforth hyphens must match. That is the first condition. Here. Now, if you take this as capital what? Capital P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Capital Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7. Now you do set Pn Cartesian with set Qn. So that means what? P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Cartesian product with Q1 to Q7. Q1, Q2, Q3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, one side 5, one side 7. So totally we have to think about 35 combinations. Okay, 35 combinations. It will take a time. It is not a good practice and smart way to think about all 35 because it will consume a lot of time. In that time, how to solve this? Wherever hyphen matches, only them we have to consider. Rest all we can neglect. See, where is the hyphen here? In P1. See, Q1 to Q7, which term has C as hyphen, only that we have to pick for comparison. See, P1 has a C position, so propagate. We are not thinking about P1 Q1, P1 Q2, P1 Q3, P1 Q4, no comparison. P1 Q5, no comparison. P1 Q6, no comparison. P1 Q7, yes, we have to think now. We have to think now. So how it is? P1 and Q7. How they are? A, B, C. What is P1? 0, 0, hyphen 1. What is Q7? 1, 1, hyphen 0. So how many total same and differences that we have to find? How many total and same? See, different. So even though hyphen matches, there are 3 differences where one difference is acceptable, 3 differences neglect. So no comparison. P1, Q7 hyphen matched, but no comparison because 3 differences. Let's take P2. Where P2 has hyphen A. So continue. P1 Q1 no, sorry. P2 Q1 no. P2 Q2 no. P2 Q3 yes. We have to check. But not compulsory we have to write. It is now decide. What is P1 P2 hyphen 0 0 1. What is Q2 0 sorry. Here it should be Q3 hyphen 1 1 0 hyphen 1 1 0. See again 3 differences. So even though comparison possible because of 3 differences are there where one difference is expected and accepted, we cannot think about this. So but P2 to further we have to continue. With respect to P2, Q3 is not possible. But see here, no hyphens. So P2 with any Q not possible. Similarly, P3 where it has hyphen D. Q2 has a D. Okay, let's see with P3 and Q2. C different, A, B different, C different, D matches. One match, three different. That is not good selection. So again, one more possibility is C, because D has a hyphen. Okay, so one, I different, same. Now we have to think about here P3 and Q6. P3 and Q6. What is P3? 1, 0, 0, hyphen. What is Q6? 1, 0, hyphen. See, always first condition, hyphen should match. So 1, C same, A same, 3 same. What is different? D is different. Okay, so it is acceptable. Now P3 pass mark, Q6 pass mark. Okay, what is that? 8, 9, 12, 13. 8, 9, 12, 13. What is that? 1, then hyphen, 0, hyphen, 1. Here it is 1 because both sides A as 1. Change and it is hyphen, 0 and hyphen. 8, 9, 12, 13. Next, D position. Here no D position. So P3 is done. P4 has C position. P4 has C position. Okay. Now here no C position, no C position, no C position. Here also no, here also no. Only last possibility. So P4 with Q7 we have to check. Don't write this. You have to do orally. Now don't write this all. I am writing because to explain. Okay. P7, Q4. What is it? P4 and Q7. What is P4? 1, 0, hyphen, 0. What is Q7? Double 1.